You guys want really nice long hair? I'm talking about waist length. This is the secret. Stay tuned. So I'm going to make a hair repair treatment with my own placenta. So we're going to be using mayonnaise. Make sure you have mayonnaise. We're going to be using eggs, extra olive oil, and a lemon because it has to smell good, and my placenta. So let's get down and washing and cleaning this placenta, and we're going to be using a blender. Alright, so I'm going to rinse this off and clean it with lukewarm water, get all the blood clots out of there, and be very gentle with it. Cutting up in a couple different pieces because it'll be easier to place it in the blender. And you can use any blender you have. I just use the smaller blender that I have because it's easier to clean. I'm going to blend it by itself without mixing any products with it right now, just to break it up a little bit because I don't want the pieces to get stuck in my hair. Placentography provides a natural source of nutrients for cell production, fiber, protein, potassium, and that is so good for the hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to use a little bit of this lemon peeling, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in there just for smell, to have a nice citrus smell. And actually it does not have a smell because I had it in the freezer, the placenta, but this would help. Okay, so now you want to get your jar ready in a glass bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of extra protein to this hair treatment formula. I'm going to add 2 eggs and 4 spoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of honey. And I keep going over blending it and blending it because I need it really, really fine. It's really hard to blend a placenta. I'm going to do 1 spoon of honey, and the honey is just going to define my curls and get rid of frizz. The mayonnaise is used for a deep conditioner treatment. The eggs is to refine my damaged hair and to bring shine and great hair color. And growth too. All right, so that's all in there. So I'm gonna blend this up until it gets very, very fine and creamy. Placentography is the ultimate natural hormone supplement. Placing the placenta in your hair will give it a rich source of testosterone and estrogen. And they both promote healthy hair and stimulate fast growth. I'm looking for a nice consistency. I probably have to blend it a little bit more. I'm going to add some of my vitamin E hair cream and skin. I need a really fine consistency so it'll be easy to rinse out of my hair. RNA production increase antioxidants, which kills free radicals, reversing the aging process of the skin and hair. Here's a fun fact. Most mammals eat the placenta after birth. So that tells us that placentography has many uses. There are a lot of shampoos and conditioners out there using placenta as ingredients, and now you just created your own. So this is the finished product, and I have another video at the end of this video if you guys wanted to see the process of me putting it in my hair. But this is the outcome, and it really defined my curls, and I believe I did get new hair growth. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and like it, give me thumbs up,